Hi guys, I'm going to show you how we are going to be creating the magazine layout if you are working from home. Do not use the PDF version of this. Please use the magazine layout plan. That's a JPEG.jpg. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to download here. When I double click on this, it should automatically open into your photos. And we're going to go ahead and save a copy first. So my three dots over here, save as. I've already saved this, but make sure you go in and save it. Click save, and then you're good to go. Now we're ready to start creating our layout. So let's say the first one, I want a giant image here and then 2 columns of text down here. So I'm going to go to Edit, Create, Draw, and I'm going to change my color. You can do whatever color you'd like, and I'm going to carefully, it's not going to be perfect, draw out where I want my image to go. So kind of almost like we're drawing a frame. Okay, and then I'm going to write image on here. Okay, and then down here I want my 2 text boxes. So I'm going to put text in here. And then again here. And just do the best you can. I know it's not super easy to do without a stylus or a pen. Okay, so now we're ready to save a copy, so eventually we can turn it into a PDF. So save. It's going to say letting your ink dry. Might take a minute. And we're going to save this. I would save everything to a specific folder. So I'm going to click save. And be patient with the program, it does kind of take a while sometimes. Okay, now that this is saved as an image, we're going to get it to be a PDF, so eventually we can combine them all together and view it as if it were our magazine. So we're actually going to go up to this little print icon, and we're going to change the printer from any of these options to Microsoft Print to PDF. All of these preferences should already be set, but if they don't look like this, then change them, and then we'll click Print. When that happens, it's going to look like you're saving this. So I'm going to name this, maybe this is my page 2. Click Save. And then it's going to save for me. And it should, I think, automatically open in your PDF viewer that you've already chosen, which should be Acrobat. If it doesn't, then go down to your little file folder here. And we're going to right-click and say open with Adobe Acrobat or open with Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so now I have my page here. And then let's say we've already done a few pages. So here is my second page that I've done, or my first page, and I want to combine them. So what I'm going to do over here on the right, combine files. And you're going to do add files or add open files. So this page one's already open, but if yours is not up here already at the top, then you're just going to do add files. So I'm going to do add open files, and I only want the page 1 and 2 to be selected. Add files. So now you can see them here. This is another area where I can rearrange them. So if I want that to be in front, I can. And then I click combine. So now if I go up to view, page display, to page viewing, I can see them next to each other. So as you guys add together, you can rearrange and create your page layout for your magazine this way. So when you go to email this to me, if you're working from home right now, this is due by the end of the hour on the 17th, I want this to be in PDF format just like this. If you have questions, please email me and let me know.